This is bake at home. You buy it and cook it at home.
Oh, yourself. It's a beautiful town. And it feels like this is the main street. Do you think? The outdoor heaters. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah. Sorry. Thank you. Guys, it's our fault being slow, crossing the street slow, but it's quite massive.
Like snails.
It's,
Don't
And,
forget the way back to the station.
and also busy. No. I won't forget. I marked the building, so it's at the back.
Where the construction.
Yeah. Ah, you will?
Yeah, you'll say time to go back and I go, which way?
It's a shopping center.
Walk through?
Yeah, why not? Let's go in.
Time, we may as
Yeah.
well.
Let's go in.
Might as well have a look.
Yeah, it's right.
Ooh, it's warmer, okay.
It is. It is very warm in here. Yeah. Old school. It looks old school. Yeah, everything. That's a nice. Oh, you wanna go in and have a look? Usually here they've got nice stuff. Why not?
Hi, how are you? Good, thank you.
Everything is nice. Look at this. It's pretty.
Let me know if you like anything taken out of the cupboard. I'm more than happy to like them.
Thank you. Back, you like a cross? Here's a cross. 700. About 700. Everything is old school type. Like that one has got 1,000 candles.
1,000 candles.
Yeah, light all of them all. Thank you. There's more this side. Here they fix it, yeah. It's pretty.
Hey, look at the big fish tank.
Ah, yes. That's a nice one. Yeah. You know what I like about this shopping center? Everything. How much?
$25 for a tray.
Oh, really? Just for the tray. How much the tray and seat?
Like 36, 40?
25. Well, it's good. It's good. That's a good thing of living outside Sydney. Huh?
But chicken is expensive.
How much?
21 a kilo.
Chicken. And chicken in Sydney is about
9?
9 a kilo. 9 or 10 a kilo. Yeah.
Depends. Yeah, but
Yeah, you're right.
ooh, as soon as you come to the entrance, you feel cold again.
Yeah. Even the shoe shops are smaller. They took us to a car park.
Park at the back of the shopping centre.
Yeah. There's nothing really happening this side. Instead, there's actually cows there.
Ooh, look at the old Volvo.
Yeah. Maybe. Let's go.
Should go around. If we
Yeah,
go
let's
that way,
go
we should
around.
come out to the front street again.
Yeah. Let's go around this side.
Unless there's no way through. Should be.
Even the shoe shop is very small.
BOQ. It's Bank of Queensland.
Yeah.
Queensland in Bowral.
So this one is a main street. Looks like it's a main street. Yeah, it goes all the way that way, and then this side as well. Yeah, they do. Yeah, it's quite busy. It's quite busy, but not only busy, it's also very cold. It's very, very cold. It's like we are not in Australia. It's like we are somewhere else.
10 minutes. Look at this dog, he's carrying his own teddy.
It's massive. Yeah. Yeah. That's a huge dog there. There's more few shop, coffee shop that side. That's a nice jacket over there. The HP. See the jacket? Have a look. Let's have a look from the window. No, that's sorry, that's the main street. I thought it was this one. No, actually, it's this one, this side. Yeah, it's a nice one.
I like this French.
Which
That's a
one?
nice men's French.
Yeah.
That's a nice French.
Yeah. They're closed though. Yeah, open.
He's in there, he's just got the air conditioning on. He's sitting at the back, it's a men's store.
Ah, they're sitting at the back. I see.
The counter.
Yeah.
Roast pumpkin soup.
Huh?
They have roast pumpkin soup.
We're upstairs, inside. Inside. We'll come back. Let's explore a little bit and come back have soup. Because I know if we sit down now, that's it. Yeah, we will have coffee, soup, and that's it. Done.
Oh, we're back to here.
Yeah.
I see.
So the station is there, is that side. Don't forget. And pretty much this is seems like it's the main street. So which way? Should we go this way? Looks more quiet. Or this side? This side? Let's go. It's a grand hotel. Old beautiful building. It's like this is their main shopping center. Yeah. Nice. Just cold. Yeah, no, it's just cold. Just cold. But it's nice to be here as well. Never been here. And without catching that train, probably would have never come here.
Driven through before.
This side? Where to?
Just through here, just driven through here with Mum.
Ah, okay.
My mum likes all these places.
Ah. Fancy. Shopping center. The shops outside in old school style, not inside the shopping center. Even
It used to be, and so much nicer like this.
yeah, all the shops on the street, not the shopping center. The shopping center is way too small. But now they build us shopping centers, and everything on the side of the street are gone. Pretty much just quiet. But in a town, beautiful towns like this, these are the shopping center. These are the shops. Yeah. Actually, this side it looks more busy. You notice? This side looks more busy. Me, I'm just enjoying the sightseeing. It's worth it stopping, getting off the train here than But it's good also because they suggest it. It's a nice,
So I think
Three.
Moscow is the same, but they've only got smaller.
Volume. I see. Not like this one.
It's just not as much.
It's a nice jacket. That one. Yeah. They are 50% off. That's a nice one. I wonder how much it goes for. So let's find out. I like it.
There's this store in Montreal I always look at. It's just the store that I always say you like the jumper.
Yeah.
Mannequin.
Oh, it's the same?
Yeah.
Let's have a look how much.
Actually, no, sorry, I'm wrong. The one in Montreal is called Casnet.
Ah, I see. This.
Now you will let me know if I can find anything for you or help you with sizes. Hello, afternoon.
Yeah, hello. This one have a look, that one.
Pardon?
That's one have a look, this
You
one.
want this one?
Yeah, that's one have a look.
It's got your name on it.
Hello, how are you?
Sorry, you were saying, sir?
Yeah, I like this one.
400. 400. Wow.
Is it felted wool? Yeah.
Yeah. Wow. So it should be pretty much should be the same. That's a nice one. I like the pockets. And that one, 300. Yeah, very. Oh, nice. They've got nice stuff. Yeah.
And be very warm too.
Yeah.
I like the high neck.
Because this town is so cold. The clothes quality also very good. But the price very friendly.
Not friendly.
400 for the top. I guess well. It goes with the weather. You wanna look after yourself. There's a type of cold, and you work hard. Why not? It's a beautiful, beautiful town. That's that old stuff, isn't it? Old school stuff. Yeah. Closing down. Everything on sale. Yeah, I wonder how much is that necklace. You wouldn't wear that though. I like the cap. Yeah, I like the tiger. I wonder how much it goes. I like the cap. Let me look. Something different. Hello. How much your tiger cap? Oh, you've got one. You've got there.
Yeah, these,
That one. Yeah, how much is it?
these are 69.
69.
It's on a turtle too. The green one has a turtle.
Say again?
The green one has a turtle.
Yeah.
They're very
And the
popular.
grey one's a wolf
Yeah.
and an ant.
And
That's a tiger.
Tiger, you like the tiger.
Yeah. Looks smaller though. To me. Yeah.
that's out as far as. Oh no, it's not. It goes quite a bit further. Just depends.
That's the last one.
That,
Say again? Oh, the beanie.
there was a
Ah.
whole range of them, but these are so popular.
How much the bean? How much your bean?
Should have it on the inside.
Inside.
On the inside.
69
Same
as
price.
69 as well.
They're
Ah,
all
okay.
done by Guru and Brothers. And they had a range of colours, but they're the only two colours we have left now.
Ah, okay.
They had them in a light
Yeah.
tan
This one will be small to me.
and a black.
This. And they come only in one size, the caps.
Yes.
Yeah, this one is a bit too small for me. I like it. That's too small.
Are you sure? Did you want to try it?
Yeah, I can.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Any particular colour?
The red one.
The red one? See how you go.
There's a
You
mirror
never know
right
till
there.
you put it on, do you?
Small.
Too small?
There's
Bit
a
tight.
mirror.
Doesn't, yeah, it's on the
No,
last
it doesn't really.
That's a shame. Bad luck.
You knew it when you saw it.
Yeah, I knew it when I saw it. Thank
That's,
you.
full of brains. I take brains over the hat.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
As I said, but having a bigger.
Big head.
Yeah.
Full of brains, like the lady said.
As I said, but I like the cap. It's nice, but it's too small for me. Well, and it's not the first time when I walk in the shop. I like something, especially when it comes to it. I like it. I want to buy it, but then small size doesn't fit me, and I'm like, oh no, I wish. Yeah. It is cold inside. Hey, look at that! Look at that building.
Yeah, it's covered in vines. Is that wisteria? Maybe in the spring it'll be all purple. It's wisteria, so in the
Ah,
spring it'll
I see.
be covered in purple flowers.
Ah, yes, yes, probably.
It looks like it is.
Yeah.
Maybe not. Hard to tell. It's hard to tell when it's naked with no leaves on it.
Yeah. Very.
But I'm sure in spring it looks beautiful.
Very spring.
It's an antique store.
Yeah, it is.
Should we go look in it? Look at the big barn door.
Which inside?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go have a look. Why not?
So we walk across the road like ignoring people.
Ah, we can. Sorry. Yeah, it is. Yeah. It's actually there's a store this side and there's a store this side as well. And here's the entrance. Why not?
I just want a stripe. So you got the stripe from there?
No, I got
It's like a little mini shopping center back.
Yeah. I just read inside. I think there's a bunch of artists that are collected together. And then look at this. He's eating a hamburger. That's from the movie.
Yeah.
What's the movie? Quentin Tarantino produces it.
I don't. Me, I don't even have idea.
Thank you so much.
Nice.
You too.
All sorts of things. Wow. There's no price, isn't it? Like that jug is that's 2,000. That one. Yeah. It's a price.
1900.
Ah, I thought it was a price 1900. So it'll be more. It will be more expensive. Yeah, I thought that was a price.
Everything has 4,800.
Which one?
This little jewelry case.
4,000?
800. It's antique.
That little one.
It's made
Will
of
be more.
ivory.
Yeah, this one here
5,000.
5,000.
And we had ivory.
That one will be more expensive. The Mother Mary.
Depends on what it is. Yeah, take this bowl's 430.
430 the bowl. This one will be even more.
Not sure. I just got the. What's it on the back? Oh, it says inside, but I can't read it.
Yeah. It's the table. How much is that? How much is that table, bro? Now the price is under. Hello. How are you? Yeah. Since it's this shop is antique, nothing is cheap. You see this glove here? It's $220 each.
Vintage baseball.
Yeah, this one here. And this bag here, this one here, is 275. Looking at the jacket, this female jacket here is 975. This plate here is about 295. Wow. Yeah. This table here is 365. I think it comes with the two chairs. It's a set.
It's on sale.
Yeah. There's nothing cheap, but they're all worth it because they're all antiques. So this is a candle shop. Very. All sort of candle.
Okay, this one's pretty.
Yeah.
Nice one.
Yeah. Two for 50. Smell this. Wow. Yeah?
It's pretty gardenia.
Yeah, 2 for 50. Should we get 2? It's actually 2 for 50.
The oak one might smell better.
Yeah? No? That one is better.
They all smell different. That one's alright.
Yeah? Let's repeat this one.
I bet it smells like
I like that one. Yeah.
no, this one. This is nicer.
Yeah?
Yeah, which has got the lid up.
Can we? I think it's 2 different. You can get 2 different ones. That one is nice as well. Yeah. Yeah, babe. That one.
Smells like your soap.
Yeah. I think you can get two different ones for $50. Yeah, 2 of them. That's a nice one. That one is nice. Smells very nice. 2 for 50, so that means it's $25 each. Isn't it? One more. They've got a few more stuff this side. It's actually not cheap. This rock here is 1,220. This one here. Hello.
Hello, how you going?
Good.
Pretty day.
Can we pick 2 candles for 2 different ones for $50?
Yeah. And,
okay.
and mix and match, yeah. I
okay.
make them. Yeah,
You
at
make
my
them?
little candle studio.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm obsessed with gardening, so it's very garden heavy with some of the fragrances. So, yeah.
Do you like that one?
Let's see.
Ton of leaf, yeah. And hyacinth
Yeah.
is my favorite spring flower, so I had to make that one. Yeah, I'm bitter banana. No. Thanks.
Which one do you like best? You like the gardenia?
Yeah. That.
Classic. Yeah.
This one
it
here
is-
smells
it's
nice.
lovely.
If we pick,
I have
Becky, since he said we can pick 2 different ones, I'll take that one and you pick
there's a
one.
mahogany and oak here. This has a road. This is a pine here. So yeah, I used to have a sandalwood and an amber, but
That's the sort of thing I was looking for.
I'm sorry. Yeah, no.
They all smells
You like
nice.
gardenia? Did you pick up a gardenia one?
Not yet.
This one is just
Yeah,
the
not yet.
pine, and then this
They
one
all
here
smells nice,
is
actually.
bergamot,
All of
citrus,
them.
and clove.
So I had to
that's
pick
like a
about my choice.
log cabin
That one.
in winter. Yeah.
I'll take that one.
Maybe that's straight.
That is really popular. Yeah.
Yeah,
Thank you
yeah,
so much.
I'm happy.
Where do we buy this?
Just up the top up there.
Oh, okay. Yeah, go through. You go through here.
Sections everywhere.
Can we go through here? Okay, thank you.
Have a great day.
Oh no. Even this one is for sale back. 280. I mean 380. Yeah. It's a leather.
Yeah.
Yeah. 380. Oh, an air perfume. Oh, here. Here's a payment. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
How are you? Thank you.
Here's a payment. Yeah?
These little things are everywhere. These crazy.
Which
little-
one?
Crazy.
Ah,
things.
yeah. Maybe it's just something new. So it's okay. We can actually. We're not breaking.
I'm laughing because you're never crossing the right spot.
No, we're not.
Cross here.
We're not breaking the rules. Say look left, look right, and go. So yeah. Why not?
Looks like it's a hotel, doesn't it?
That one, the big house.
Because look, there's one behind as well. To the left.
Yes, there is. Yeah, it's the same.
Yeah. Island. There's too much furniture. There's nobody in that shop.
Yeah, it's empty. Very, very beautiful town. Yeah? Very small, tiny town, but very beautiful. But it's cold down here. It's nice.
There's some of this for sale. But it sells like
Yeah.
some of the whole building or
They
the
just-
different rooms
they
and
just-
units.
They just built, probably they just finished building them. They look new. Yeah. These one here, they look new. Which one? This one. Probably they're about to do exactly what they did over there. And they've got a little park here. Yeah.
Oh, it's pretty, isn't it?
Yeah, this side. So quiet and beautiful. Everything is here. Me, I just want a pumpkin soup. It's cold, so pumpkin soup will be nice. What are you going to have?
They just got wraps and burgers.
Oh yeah,
They got a fried chicken burger.
you want that?
It's a bit big.
Too big? Soup will be better. Yeah.
Or a cheese and ham croissant.
And cheese?
There's a cheese and ham croissant.
Let's go inside.
People that they get popcorn.
Yeah, I'll get pumpkin. Pumpkin is nice. Here's a seat actually. Yeah. This one. Yeah. Hello. This one is better.
Blankets to put on your lap.
Yeah.
We've got a blanket to put on your lap.
Yeah.
Thank you.
It's good. Thank you. It's okay. Or you want to sit on because we're on the door. Actually, it's better.
That's good.
Guys, it's time to sit down and have soup, you know. She's gonna have tomato.
Maybe a ham and cheese croissant.
Yeah, my cheese croissant.
You know what I'm thinking? Because I'm thinking of some sort of a juice.
The juice.
And then if I have soup and juice, our belly's going to be full of liquid. And then we're going to get on the train and it's going to slosh.
I'm getting you there, train.
I'm thinking about the train. If I have a
But-
belly full of soup and a belly full of juice.
Be ready to go.
So it's going to be sloshing around.
Yeah.
Might not.
And we were three hours back to Sydney. Me, I'm gonna have pumpkin soup, maybe a 2 toaster, and then see how my belly still enough space. I'll have something else. If not, it's okay. It's been nice to be in this beautiful town. We explore pretty much everywhere. It's a small town, very beautiful. And then now this afternoon the sun is out. One side is the sun and one side is clouds, that side. And the sun is out. But this side here it looks like the clouds are building up all far up there. Train station is just up in front here. We're hiding up there now, and we were told to be at the train station about 3:20
Yeah,
p.m.
they said 3:20 the latest.
Yeah,
So we've got what, 15
we've got
minutes
about
we can wander up the street and back again, I guess.
yeah. So we're gonna do is just gonna go for window shopping, go through again the shops and enjoy ourselves. Don't know whether we go this direction and we go all around. And this direction will take us to a train station. Pretty much because we've been this side, so we're gonna hide this side. It's better. I'm actually tired.
Yes.
It's another 3 hours. Train ride back to Sydney, exactly the same train.
But then that just drops us back into city.
Yeah, and then from there we catch an express train again home. There's gonna be a lot of.
They're cute for Easter.
Yeah. How much though they go? Each 21.95.
No, that's the candle, hibiscus vanilla candle. That's
Oh, I
this.
see.
I
I
don't
see.
know. I think the bunny's just decoration actually. I don't know.
Yeah, probably.
It's just cute. I just,
So this way.
yeah.
Yeah, not nice. All this nice old.
I like the chairs too.
Yeah. 125 each. You want one?
What am I going to do with this chair on the train?
It's a nice. You sit and take it with you.
And put it where when we're on the train?
They've got nice stuff here. Bowral says for kitchen. That's a nice apron with the magpie. See that one? That one there.
The magpies, yeah, you
Yeah.
should get that. They're your friends.
Let me see the price. I like them. It's nice to have a look. Hello.
Hello.
This one back. $23. $23. It's not bad actually. For $23. Manage to society. Everything in here is kitchen.
Interesting stuff.
All the way.
Interesting.
All the way to the back actually, yeah. I wonder. I don't know. Maybe because maybe because people like salt. That's the reason. And the fluffy winter blankets. I've seen them too many of them here than Sydney. In the city.
It's freezing down there.
It is. You know what makes me, what I like about this town? There's no shopping center. It's an old school style. The shops are on the street. They've got a small shopping center there, but it's nothing much happening inside. Everything happening right on the street. So pretty much this section all the way, that end is just shops. That section as well, all the way, shops. Shopping center is just right further up there. It's a small shopping center. Yeah. We go at the back in the station. Yeah. What do you think? Because we've been there already, so maybe they're at the back. That's why I'm impressed of this town. Small. The center is very small. It's very cold as well. But the shops being on the street is good. Like, yeah, the shops are right between. It is. Hey. Okay, yeah. What is it? Those names are those. What's them? Which one? Which memorial?
Is that what you're pointing at, those names?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is less we forget, it sounds like.
Ah, I see. Why my mind took back to Bali? Yeah. When you said Memorial Strait, I was thinking of Bali.
Thinking about
Yeah.
it's just there.
Whoa. Oops. Yeah. No wonder. Oh,
But I
Look
was
up.
gonna say, if you had more time to spend.
look up the hill.
Good.
I think it's this one here. See, they're pretty.
Is that the steam train right? Or somebody's quiet place on the other side of the
Where?
station?
No. The station is here. Is that the other side?
Yeah, that's the
Maybe
other
it's it. Nah.
side. And it's
There's
his house.
the steam train smoke is a bit too much.
I was going to say, if you had time to spend the whole day here driving around,
Yeah.
there's lots of things in Bowral. There's the famous cricketer Don Bradman. That's where he's from. So they've got a museum here
Yeah.
for the cricket.
Yeah.
And they've got a nice gardens
place.
Yeah. So it pretty much you have to drive around the place.
Museums and galleries and things around the place.
You know what? Because it's not far. Because it's not far from Sydney, it's an hour drive. Well, we'll drive here.
Yeah, we can come down again.
Yeah. This time around we're not coming with the steam train, instead we will drive.
Today it was about the steam train, so we don't
Yes.
have a lot of time in between.
That's it. Station is right here. We're going in there, we'll wait our train. Once the train arrives, we'll be heading to the Sydney.
I hope it hasn't arrived yet. I hope we can see it come in.
Yeah, we will see it. Let's see. Interesting. And look at the map, is like huge. Nice and warm here. Wow. Crazy because the carrier will just end somewhere here, and that will be above the will be over the platform. Yep. Ah, there you are. Excuse me, quick question. It's only once or twice a year?
We try to run twice a month, but down here probably only a couple of times a year.
Yeah, and Kayama?
Yeah, we try to do Kayama at least once a month in the winter months.
Oh, okay. So how many times a year?
I'd probably say we run probably 30 times a year.
Yeah, this
30.
line.
Oh, this line probably only 4 or 5, yeah.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
perfect. Thank you.
No worries.
So we were all wrong. We thought it was only once a year, but it's not. As you guys heard what the gentleman said to us. Yeah, we're gonna get in this one. Huh? We have to walk all the way down.
Yep.
That end.
Yep, you're down that
okay.
end. So the quickest way probably would be to go through.
Yeah.
Would be go through here.
Okay, no worries. Thank you. So we're heading all the way. That's fine. We all thought it was this side. That's okay.
Smoky road when we go through the tunnel.
Okay, no, it's alright. Sorry, we have to get all the way this end. Thinking it was we were sitting this side. Now we're going all the way to the back.
They said they didn't have time to turn the whole train.
Oh, I see.
This is car 3 beer.
It's okay.
All the way down.
We have to go all the way down.
Yeah. Sorry.
You want to go in front of me?
Yeah, it's not only. So it's not only us. Sorry. We're going to the exactly last one. Sorry. From here we are not that far, actually. Yeah. We're halfway. Yeah. Walking past the shop, that means we're halfway. It's a lot of twist and turning. A little bit far away. We before we get the other side.
It's the CTAG still going. Yeah. I know they reopened.
Where are you?
I'm right behind you.
Yeah. Oops, sorry. Yeah. Yeah? Okay. Plus we left the cups there. Remember? No, our cups. So we will see them. Yeah.
Sorry, we've all got to go back.
That's alright.
Move back.
Oh, we all have to go back.
Everybody, because there's people that need to go. Where do they need to go?
Just can you get out the train?
We can't. There's people based on
I'm just going to need to just got to go in here. Cute.
Go, Dad, Ben. Maddie, and then you done cool.
Let's go. Run. Oh, walk off. We're almost there. Sorry.
Already.
Yeah? Yeah, moving already. I like that all over this.
That's my fault. I spent the whole time telling you that this is what we're doing.
What, during break?
There yet.
Almost there. Unless there's another shop halfway out here. Sorry. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, okay. Yeah. It's okay. I think it's just here. Yeah, it should be. Sorry, thank you. Thank you. Wow. Whoa. It's moving fast.
Ice cream shop, the pub.
Long more to go. Sorry. Thank you. Well, thank you. Yeah, actually we're here now. Wow. Yeah, we made it.
Nothing worked out. I washed it with the sail and I did the whole
Whoa. What a walk.
It's quicker to go through.
Huh?
I don't know if it's quicker to go through. The guy said it's quicker to go through. I think it might have been quicker to run along the station.
It was alright. It was alright. Much better. Jeez.
When you're not walking.
Finally we made it inside and this is it. Central Station is calling.
Because of that, we are expecting to get back into town a little bit later. Have no fear, you guys will still be all catered for and you guys will be comfortable in here. We are expecting to get back about an hour late, which means we'll be getting back in about 7:20 as opposed to 6:20. Just letting you guys know in case you have any delays or anything like that, we are expecting to. So if you have any issues or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to your lovely attendees and I hope you guys enjoy the trip back.
Thank you. Yeah, that's our day. Yeah. So that's exactly that's our because we waited for the train about an hour at the station, so it's okay. I mean, 7:20. Yeah, it's okay. Not bad. Saturday evening. We'll probably end up walking around the city a little bit before we catch another train home. But I'm tired. I want to go home. Well, you know what? Instead of complaining and saying I'm tired, bring me coffee, please. Coffee will keep me awake. It's actually calming. Coffee is calming. Looking forward to it. Bring me coffee, let me drink coffee, and my eyes will be wide open. Yep. Tonight will be a day. See? It's no longer going to be a night. So I have a black that strong coffee. Tonight will be.
I'll still sleep.
The coffee does nothing, lady. Drink a lot of coffee. Coffee does nothing. I drink coffee now and I'll sleep now. No problems. Yeah. But honestly speaking, this trip has been amazing. So far. And we still enjoy it. It's now we're hiding back. It's even better.
I'm a volunteer myself, and our chef today is actually doing the job. So This is our chef's first day today doing this. He's actually just come from French Canada. So, Donovan.
Great job, Donovan!
Anyway, we hope you all enjoyed the day. So the main thing is please don't leave anything behind. And if any of you want to take any photos with the locomotive, it's best to go up this end of the train, because once it gets to centre, we'll be cutting off and going up the other end to attach before we leave. So if you want to get any photos, you're either going to go up the centre of the platform.
Thank you.
Nice idea.
The final live to the city. Yeah, Central Station. We are here, and it's been an amazing day. So, this was a nice fresh experience.
It was going to catch the train. Trains an hour later.
Lovely to meet you. Lovely to meet you. Lovely to meet you.
You ready to go? Yeah, I'll go.
We should meet up. We will cook for you.
So we're getting off this beautiful steam train. Central Station is here. Thank you.
See you later, mate.
Have a good one.
You want to go watch the train go?
Huh? This is in front.
The front is in. He's going to move that one.
No way. How? Yeah, but they're not gonna move now. They're gonna move it later. That's nice. But how are they gonna do it though?
The same way they did when we got here and they shifted the trains.
How are they shifting the other line? This line end.
It's got like a bit of a...
Ah, okay.
You wouldn't have gone all the way in.
Yes.
Forward a bit.
Yeah. Yeah. That's nice. Interesting. It's probably we'll get to see it. It will be nice to see how they shift it to the front.
You're already moving it.
No, not yet. No. Ah, yeah, fast, eh? Oh. I hope to get to see it.
You're going to run up there?
No. I'm gonna. That little shop. Nice.
The train on platform 1 does not pick up.
The experience of being in this beautiful train was amazing. Let me say it was just fantastic. And honestly, because it's a day trip, there we go. Anyone, I recommend anyone to try it. Just try it, you know.
It's a nice experience.
Yeah. It's an old school type of train. They're not available anymore. So being in one of them, it's nice. See? See that the touchy. That's moving forward. Ah, see. Yes. They're moving in that line. Ah, okay. Yeah. They did it fast though. It's gone. As soon as they stop it, they move it. Yeah.
And then it will come down here.
Ah, I see. I suppose I'll be able to walk on the other side. Wow. And someone else mag is there.
Oh, yeah.
Someone else drop it. Yeah.
Does not stop at this point.
Look at this. Look at the steam though. Wow.
Yeah, see how they switch it?
Ah, yes, it's gonna move that way. And it's gonna go forward. Ah, okay. I see. Yeah. It's pretty much the attaching. They will go in that line, go to the front.
Yeah, they'll go to the front and then it will reverse back and they'll attach it that way.
You know what they did? Took way too fast. As soon as we stopped, straight they went for it. Wow.
Well, these guys, they sit on the train at the
Actually, there's another piece that side.
Yeah, wow.
There's another piece that side. It's actually pulling that one. So it's been two of them.
Where did he come from?
So it's been this one we came off from, and there's another one there.
Yeah, where did he come from?
I don't know. Yeah. Actually, no one. It's a lot of them.
Maybe they ran a second train because this one was so full.
Ah, yes. But not. I don't think the same route. Maybe different. Look at the steam. Wow. I want to ask him a question.
There you go.
Excuse me. I want to ask you a question. How long have you been doing this job?
15 years.
15 years? Wow. So you know this thing too well then. 15 years. Sorry. He's been running this for 15 years. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, another one that side. Everywhere. Wow. That one is different. Crazy. It's on the other side. Guys, it's thirsty. We're going to look the other one. That side. Interesting. Oh, sorry. I'm just running. I want to have a look at that one before it is.
Maybe they fold all the tickets and make the left run a second train.
But I'm going to ask them. Since the other one was Sayama, which one was it? Oh. Probably it's too late. Excuse me. Quick question. Where is this one come from? Oh, him? Because we won that one. Oh, we walked from that one, we come to this one. We saw this one. We're like, oh, two of them. Wow. Guys, this is so interesting. You know what? I don't want to leave because I want to see how they're going to move this one to the front. There it is. So what they did, they detached this one from the one we just came up from. Now they're going to attach it to the front. Excuse me, I just want to ask you a question. Where that one came from?
We came to the museum at Dormy, just come back from Kiama for the day.
Oh, we went to Kiama today.
Yeah, and that one just come back from Watford.
Yeah, we came from that one.
We were on that one.
Yeah.
Wow, okay, thank you. So they both ran in the same. That one from Kiama.
Oh, yeah, but
and this one
sold out.
I see. Wow.
We went last weekend to Kiama, but it was sold out. And this weekend
so it's pretty much the repeat. Interesting. Very. Yeah, very. You can just walk that up.
Yeah, we can follow up.
Yeah. Very. Are they fast? Oh, moving very fast.
There's a massive mountain on it.
Oh, see how they. I just want to see how they're gonna move in that side.
They've probably got a rotator up here. They must have.
Yeah, here. Yeah, they want to do it here.
What's amazing that they're all volunteers. So they've got to take the train back to wherever it's from the Heritage Museum.
Yeah.
Bring it back there, clean it up, and then go home. At the end of us all day is volunteering.
It's amazing, eh?
It is amazing.
Yeah.
Look at the kids.
Yes, running.
Run to get the video.
Yes, coming. Yeah. It's coming. Sorry, buddy. We just keen to see how they connect to the front. That's it. And then from there we will be done. Lady. It's a very, very nice slow process. To attach the one there. Guys. Yeah, it did. It did. Yeah, there he goes. There he goes. So it's hard to see him from here because of the spin. Spin here and spin that side. Boys underneath. Yeah. Done. Right. Pretty much that's it. Soon we'll set off. Isn't it? Yeah. They are done. Connection is done. Gonna move forward. Interesting. Yeah.
I thought they would somehow turn it around, but it's not.
They just move from this line to another line and reverse in and pull it. We are satisfied for the day. We are going home. Guys, again, I'm gonna repeat it. If you live in Sydney, this is a type of experience you need to go through. Not to just enjoy the beautiful towns. Not always good to drive into a town. Sometimes it's good to step in this, one of this, and just an experience. Yeah, do something different. We are done, guys. For now, we're gonna put this thing down. We're gonna just have a little bit of fresh breath. Guys, if you're enjoying the video, subscribe to the channel, share the video, like the video, drop the comment, also drop everything, and enjoy life. We will see each other on the next vlog, guys. For now, thank you.